Hi everybody, this is the Math 30-1 Trig 2 review. This is question 15C. And this question is asking us to come up with an equation for the motion of this Ferris wheel. Now if you've watched the other two videos that I've made for this particular question, you'll notice that I was anticipating this. Okay? When we found the maximum value was 19 and the minimum value was 1, which was given to us in the problem, okay, in the previous video here, even though I wasn't asked for it, I found the A value, which is max minus min over 2. And then the question was asking for the D value, max plus min over 2. And we got 9 and 10 respectively for those. In question A, we were asking for the period, but we also found the value of B, even though we didn't ask for it, because you can anticipate that in a problem like this. So at this point here, I can put those pieces together, and I know that I'm going to get Y is equal to my amplitude times the sine of my B value, which will be pi over 16. Now, I don't know what my phase shift is yet, but I'm going to look at the graph here in just a second. And then my D value was 10, so plus 10. Now let's take a quick look over our graph here and think about where what that D value would be, or sorry, what that phase shift would have to be. Now, my D value is 10, and if I draw a line through here at 10, that's the middle of my graph. Now, my line, I did this freehand, it's going to kind of be all over the place here. So let's just take a quick look at this. Let's just think this thing through. To go from here to here, we read that off quite easily, was 32 seconds, which means to go from here to the maximum has got to be 16. But that's not what I'm interested in. I'm really interested in how much time it took me to get to the halfway mark right here. Well, that's just going to be half of that. That's going to put us at 8. So there's been a horizontal phase shift. If this is a positive sine graph, and our positive sine graph should start at the center and go up, down, down, up. That's my sine. It's been moved 8 units to the right. So my horizontal phase shift will be 8 to the right. And so I'll make this minus 8. And that's the equation they're looking for.